Hello, this is Harish back with another episode of Creative Quarantine Challenge. And in today's episode, we're going to focus a very important skill, and that skill is called Dexterity. Dexterity is a skill in performing tasks, especially using your hands. And in today's episode, we're going to have two activities which will test your hands-on skills and teamwork. Can we get to today's activities? Yes. In this activity, you require these materials: newspaper, masking tape or a cello tape, scissor, and a measuring tape. And using all this, can you just guess what challenge we're going to do? You are right. Today we're going to build a newspaper tower using 5 newspaper sheets. So I'm having one with me. You could take 5 newspaper sheets and 12 inches of masking tape with 1 inch width, or 24 inches if it is half an inch width, and scissors. Using all this, you're going to build the tallest newspaper tower. You'll be taking a photo or a video of it, measure the height of your tower, and send it back to us. Let us get to part 2 of this activity. We're going to add a small twist to it, and the twist is this. Use 5 sheets of newspaper to build a tower of minimum 50 centimeter height, and the tower should hold at least 1 bar of soap. After completing this activity, let us know the height of your tower, as well as let us know how many soap bars your tower is able to hold it. Do follow this one important rule. While taking a photo or a video at the end, make sure your tower is freestanding. That means it should not lean against any wall or object, or it should not hold it. And importantly, make sure your family members together do it, and also take a selfie of your family members with the tower after completion of the activity. To help you completing this activity, we have a framework of 4 simple steps for you. Step 1 is stop. First, pause and reflect on the challenge, rules and objectives. Make sure every member in the family understood that. Step 2, think. There is no urgency to get into the activity or building it first. Before that, arrange all your materials and plan how you are going to execute this task. Maybe you can sketch it in your rough note, make sure everybody agrees your ideas, and then start. Step 3 is do. Now get into action and start building and testing your model. Last but not the least, step 4 is learn. After completing the activity, sit together as a family and then discuss what was your learning, what was the best moments, what was the moment that was very low, and if you're given a chance to do this activity next time, what you will do better. These 4 simple steps will help you to complete the challenge and also help you to take a lot of skills from this. Hope you are ready to do this challenge. This activity is called Dismantle and Assemble. In this task, as a family, you're going to pick an object from your home which is not used for a very long time, and your task is to dismantle every small pieces out of it. Once that is done, you're going to click a picture of it and then send it back to us. Wait, your task is not over yet. Once this is done, you're going to put it back all the dismantled pieces and assemble to take it to its original form. For this activity, safety is a very important priority. So do it along with an adult supervision and make sure you handle the tools correctly. To check out more safety precautions and guidance to complete these activities, you can download our activity document by clicking the link in the description box. If you're watching this video for the first time and if you'd like to participate in this challenge, then there is one simple step that you need to complete. Send "I'm ready" to this WhatsApp number. We'll give you a challenge ID using which you can send in your entries through photos, videos, and for every entry, you'll get points that will help you to get into our leaderboard. And there are some amazing rewards waiting for you. If you don't want to miss any updates, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share this video to your friends and families. Looking forward to see you all in another interesting episode. Till then, this is Harish signing off. Bye.